Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Semantic Manager lessons. In today's lesson we will create our first project, and it will be a very short lesson, but we start from this lesson we start our practical exercise. So firstly, my friends, we must change our wizard from the PCS7 to step 7 and press off button. And what is the difference between step 7 used for standard PLC project programming with OB, FC, FP and DB blocks, suitable for machines and small automation systems, and here the hardware and HMI and also SCADA are configured manually, and PCS7 is Siemens distributed control system, another name the DCS, and used for the large process plant like the chemical, oil, gas and power plants, include the CFC, SVC, faceplate, alarm, strength and plant hierarchy. Much of engineering is generated automatically. For example, the SCADA and your hardware configuration is configured automatically. And let me briefly explain the difference between the SVC and CFC. And my friends, what is the CFC? CFC is the continuous functional chart, defined what the equipment does and runs continuously even the PLC ever PLC scan. And example, it's a PID control, motor control, valve control, signal processing and interlocks. CFC is the sequential function chart, define when the action happened and in what order, execute step by step. For example, we used it in the startup sequence, shutdown sequence, cleaning or extruder startup and batch process. So let's create our first project, new project wizard. We can do it from here. Next, and here we will use we can use this one. Next, okay, we language for selected block. Okay, we will change it in the future, and click the next button, and here project name, let's give in the lesson of step 7. In the future we will switch to PCS7 and rebuild the project, and I also described how we grade the CFC and SVS in our next lessons. And press next button and finish. So my friends, our project is opened, and here we have first of all you must check your hardware configuration, and here our why we check the Okay, it's not a problem. NDP, and we must add some. Okay, we will add some analog modules here, but we also can delete it and add our oven. Yes, oven PLC, because now I worked with this one PLC, and it's more suitable for our works. And okay, press OK button, and here we have digital inputs and digital outputs for our future projects. So my friends, as I said before, first we checked our hardware configuration, and after we add some configuration, we must compile our project. And also we check the program section and block section. We have OB1 blocks, as I described in the previous lesson, is the most important block, without which the PLC cannot operate. So my friends, that's all for today. In the next lesson I will show you in practical how we add the address, how we use instruction, and step by step. After we finish all these courses, I think you will know about 80% of the Siematic Manager. Subscribe, and I wish you good health, my friends, and good like. Subscribe to our channel and push the like button if you enjoy the video and find it useful for you. See you in the next lesson.